Right, we've got further consolidation on gold as it holds above support represented by this top channel line right here, this blue rising channel. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So gold completed a 161.8% projected target for this rising ABCD pattern, and then reversed with a bearish shooting star candlestick pattern on Wednesday, and has been consolidating the past 2 days within Wednesday's range, roughly. Today, there's an outside day showing downward pressure the way I perceive it. However, what is important here too is, well, we'll come back to that. So we're setting up here with a potential continuation to the downside. That's the risk right now. But certainly there could be more trading within this overall range, because if we go to the weekly chart, you can see that there is a large bearish shooting star candlestick pattern. We have a daily shooting star candlestick pattern that triggered the reversal on the daily. Now we have one on the weekly that may trigger the reversal on the weekly, and that's going to trigger below 3,260, this week's low. But it's not valid until it triggers. That means there could still be trading that occurs within this week's range. And next week may be fully within this range. It doesn't have to trigger right away. And given how it's stalling so far, I wouldn't be surprised to see that happen as more people are attracted to gold, as further bullish articles come out without any recognition that we might have reached at least a temporary top. So a breakdown of the weekly triggers on a drop below today's low, and the 50% area, 3,228 is the first support zone, but I would expect that that would be busted pretty quickly, as there should be some momentum on a breakdown of the weekly chart. Then we have the 20 moving average here, where there's potential support. But notice what happened last time. It failed here, failed here. It quickly recovered, price quickly recovered, but there was no support initially. So something similar could happen, but we want to watch that on the way down, 3,196, and then this previous high and the 61.8% retracement at 3,165 price zone. And then there's a 78.6% retracement down here at 3,073, along with the 50 moving average. So it's certainly possible that gold comes all the way down to the lower trend line or the 50 moving average before it starts to strengthen again. But it's also possible that it finds support higher and starts to consolidate or strengthen. That may lead to a bullish reversal. But right now, we need some more time to go by to see what might be coming next. For now, we're looking for a consolidation up here or a breakdown into this channel. All right, that is it for today, traders. Have a great weekend.